Hello, my name is James Pinto and today I have a special delivery thanks to the guys at Versa. I got my Versa box. So Versa is actually a SD-WAN. As we know, SD-WAN is very hot lately in the market around Southeast Asia or Indonesia, where I am based. Seems to be heading towards the top tier in terms of SD-WAN provider. Versa is in the quadrant. Versa is in the Gartner list, and they're only growing from strength to strength. So I'm going to show you, unbox the Versa and also show you how the director looks like. Versa is software based. It runs on any bare metal device. So basically what they have sent me is a Caswell box, and in this Caswell box I believe there's Wi-Fi enabled inside in one singular box. I have 4 LAN ports. I can put my SFP cards if needed to. I have 2 WAN, USB, and yes, correct, I have 1 LTE 4G input. So I can put a LTE as backup, and I also can put a WAN link connection. So this is the Caswell box. I believe I will have to actually install the Flex VNF inside here. I can use this as my SD-WAN at my branch. Data in the market is that they are built as an SD-WAN, and on top of that they also have the security features. So you get your next generation firewall with UTM features inbuilt into a Versa. Because nowadays many SD-WAN, they don't really come with this function. It's either a firewall made into SD-WAN or SD-WAN with simple firewall. I'm the smart one. I'm not the smart one. I'm having someone here to help me.
My name is Gentur. I am system engineer for Malaysia, and what I bring you here is the director of the Versa app. So in here you can see all of the asset inventory, recent event and application activity, along with the system summary and provider health. So you can monitor your device from this page alone. Here we can see the system activity. So here's the usage of CPU, disk, memory of the thing you can check. Also the location, where's the.
So in terms of traffic and firewall, can I see information on that?
Sure. Where is it?
That we saw was the unboxing of the Versa. Thanks to the guys at Versa. We just got a box. We are playing around. As we play more around, we get more information and more data we will share with you. As you know, the SD-WAN market is becoming relatively competitive with many solutions out there. One thing why we are trying out Versa, because Versa is SD-WAN and security. Any last words or advice they give people in adopting Versa or about SD-WAN?
If you need a secure and simple SD-WAN, you can use Versa for your office use. It will help you a lot.
So yeah, Versa is all in one box. That's all for us. Thank you very much. We share with you more information. Peace.